Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel as always. So this is today's look. I don't know. I was feeling this shirt and this bandana and this wig, and as you guys will see in the beginning of the video or in the beginning of the tutorial, I was looking a little bit rough today and I just wanted, I don't know, I was feeling very like bronzy goddess vibes or whatever you want to call this look. But if you guys want to know how I did this, then of course as always go ahead and keep on watching. So yeah, anyways, on to the video. Oof, we looking rough today, you guys. Oh my god, it looked like I literally just woke up, but I didn't. I just been doing shit around the house, not doing shit, so I decided to finally get my day started at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, but you know. Alright, so I'm just going to start off. I've already cleansed my face. I'm just going to go in with just my normal daily moisturizer. Even though I do have oily skin, I always like to moisturize. Also, ignore my nails. Because I do my own acrylic nails, and I was doing my nails the other day, and I ran out of acrylic monomer, like the liquid part for the acrylic, so that's what we're dealing with, and I'm like, whatever, I don't even care. Alright, so next up is, after I've already moisturized, I'm just going to go ahead and put on some anti-shine because I am pretty oily, and then go on top of that with another anti-shine primer. Then the one last skin prep item I always like to use, I'm going to go in with my NYX Pore Filler, and this is just like a super thick silicone primer, and this will go over anywhere that has larger pores. Alright, now going in with my foundation. This is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation in color F8. I'm not going to put too much foundation on my forehead just because I am going to go in, or just because I am going to be having a bandana on. Alright, so normally I do color correct my under eyes. I normally use like a salmon color, but I lost it, so we are just going to go in with this orange just to cancel out all of my darkness because Lord knows I need it. Alright, so now just going in with my normal concealer. This is of course the Shape Tape by Tarte. This is in color light beige. We don't need a lot today because we look extra icky. I'm just going to take the leftover concealer that I have and just put this right on my eyelids, and then this will be used as my eyeshadow base. Alright, for contour, this is just an Inglot eyeshadow, or oh my god, not eyeshadow, what did I just say? Contour. This is an Inglot contour palette. I'm going to go in with this lightest shade first. And I always like to pack this right under my eyes just because I feel like it adds a little bit more brightness. Because I have really dark circles. I'd blame it on genetics, but I know that's not it. It's just my unhealthy lifestyle choices. Alright, and then just mixing these two colors and going in. Cutting off that double chin. Because yo girl can't afford Kybella, so if y'all don't know what Kybella is, it's like some weird liposuction shit that just, it's like a weird shot or some shit that like, I don't know, it dissolves your fat, or like, I actually don't know what it does, but I want it and I can't afford it, so contour it is. My kitty just sneezed. Bless you. And then for blush, I'm kind of feeling Peach Twist by MAC. I'm feeling it. Are by Inglot. These are the Sparkle Dust. These literally are my shit. That's pretty much all I use for highlight. I'm just going to mix a little bit. This is color 6, and I don't know what color this is, it rubbed off, but this is like the dark gold and this is like the white color, and I'm just going to mix these together, and then using a brush with some rose water sprayed onto it will help it adhere, because if you guys can see, hopefully I won't knock this all over, it is a very, very loose glitter, or loose highlight, so you do want it to be a little bit tacky for it to stick. So grabbing my brush, spritzing it with some water, and going for it. Oh, shit. get that brow bone, cause girl. I'm going to go do my brows off camera. If you guys want an eyebrow tutorial, let your girl know, or else, yeah, I'm gonna just do them off camera because it take forever. So yeah, I'll be back. All right, so I started doing my makeup and I literally completely forgot I was not recording. So luckily I didn't do this eye. So I'm just gonna go in with a brown eyeshadow and I'm just going to slowly start blending this into the crease and then flaring it upwards. And then directly right after that, I'm just gonna go in with a black eyeshadow and focus this mainly just right directly into the crease just to deepen it a little bit more. Alright, the next step is to go ahead and cut the crease. Because I have so much dark shadow on my eyelid, I like to go in with a Q-tip with some makeup remover, and I like to just kind of go in and cut out the crease with makeup remover beforehand, just so that way it doesn't completely like dirty up the concealer or make the concealer like a weird color. This is a really nice technique to use, especially if you're going to be cutting the crease with like a white eyeshadow or something lighter color than your actual crease. So just going in. And it doesn't need to be perfect, I just want to just remove just at least a decent amount. And same thing with the other eye. I'm going to go in with my concealer on a silicone flat brush and go in and actually cut the crease. And then just taking a flat brush and going in with that highlight color that we used from our contour palette. And using this light shadow just to pack this on and set my concealer. So now that my crease is cut, I'm going to go in with the black eyeshadow and I'm going to smoke this along on the outer V. If you guys notice, like on this eye, I brought the eyeshadow more of like a diagonal shape across my lower lash line rather than just bringing it like boom here. It's more like that. I don't know if y'all can tell the difference, but I don't even know if that made any sense, but hopefully it did. Just going to smoke some shadow on my lower lash line, I think. Let me grab a smaller brush because this one's way too big. So I already went and did my lower eyeliner off camera because if y'all don't know, I am blind. I need to be like this close up to a mirror. So yeah, sorry for that. So I'm going to go in. This is a pigment by Mehron. This is just their gold pigment and I'm going to be using Duraline by Inglot. It's just a little like mixing medium. And so I'm just going to take this, put a few little droplets. Just kidding, mine's freaking empty, but cool. Alright, so yeah, I'm just going to take an eyeliner brush, mix this together. So you can see it kind of made it more of like a liquidy gel consistency. Ooh, too close, too close. Alright, so I'm going to go in and I'm just literally going to do these little dots in the cut crease part and do my eyeliner and put on some eyelashes. And I think that's it. Alright, my eyeliner is on. So for lashes, I'm going to be using, these are by Eden Rose. If you guys want to go check them out on Instagram. Their Instagram is Shop Eden Rose. I'll put it down in the description box below. But these are the lashes I'm going to be using. These are in, I believe this is the style Bombshell. These lashes, honest to God, these lashes, so they are faux mink. Honestly, for being like super thick eyelashes, the band on them is so flexible and easy to glue on. I freaking love them. Also, if you guys want some money off, you can use code Carla for 20% off your purchase, or you don't have to. It's completely up to you. I'm not one of those people that's going to shove things down your throat and be like, buy it because I said so. Alright, so I'm gonna put these on. I want to measure them. That way I know how much to cut off. So the makeup is pretty much done. The last thing I just want to do is throw on some black lipstick. Actually, actually just kidding. I literally just changed my mind. I want to throw on brown lipstick instead. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to go put on my wig, change my shirt because I am going out right now. So I actually do want to look decent. And yeah, so I will be right back with the finished result. Alright, you guys, got on my outfit, my wig, my bandana, you know, not looking rough anymore. Here is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, blah, 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 all that. If you guys have any requests also, please go ahead and comment down below what you guys would like to see. If not, I'll just keep putting out whatever ideas are flowing through my brain at the time in hopes that you guys enjoy them. So thank you again once for watching, and until the next one, bye!